Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Discovery Bay in St Ann. Now Discovery Bay is one of the larger towns in between Ocho and say Falmouth. It's on the main road, but it has a lot of villas or small hotels that you would associate with the renting to tourists. But it also has one of the most popular beaches in Jamaica. It's a private beach, you pay to go in. So we're going to take a look at all of that. But Discovery Bay also has a lot of, what do you call it now? Like distribution centers. Like Red Stripe has a facility here, basically where they would store the goods and then distribute them to the hotels. So Discovery Bay has more infrastructure than say a Runaway Bay, but it's not as big as say at St Ann's Bay. It has, okay, on the left is the Total gas station. There's a Juicy Beef store over there as well. Now at this intersection, if we turn left, it will take us up to, oh my God, Brownstown. On the left here is a plaza where you have a lot of taxis that pick up persons. Now on the right is the Puerto Seco beach. That's the private beach we're talking about. So on the left you have a taxi transport center basically. But what makes Discovery Bay special also is that it has one of those bauxite plants, and it has a lot of piers in the bay. So for instance, the bauxite plant will produce the bauxite, and then it's loaded directly onto the ships in the harbor. Now, of course, we're on the north coast, so you're going to have a lot of villas and tourists, like small hotels and villas on the right, because that's the side that has the beach. Now, straight ahead, you can see the bauxite facility. And I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but on the right you have the pier where the ships dock to collect the goods. There's no shipping harbor today. It's a very nice pier. And Discovery Bay is the location that's accredited to the first place Columbus landed when he came to Jamaica. Quote unquote, discovered Jamaica. Many persons say Jamaica was never lost, it was always here. But this is the spot in Discovery Bay where the Europeans came for the first time. Okay, on the left is the bauxite plant. It's the, let's get the name correct, Norando Jamaica Bauxite Partners, or Norando Bauxite. Now coming up on the right is Columbus Park, and this is the spot where they said Christopher Columbus first stepped foot on Jamaican soil. And Christopher Columbus is given the title of discovering Jamaica. Although at the time he came, there were thousands of people living in the island. Okay, on the right where you see the zinc fence and this concrete wall, that's Columbus Park. And that is where he first landed. Looks like it's being renovated or something. On the right, you're going to see a lot more villas. Because remember, on the right is the side with the beach. So I'm not sure, the trees are probably blocking it, but there are a lot of homes or buildings on that side, and they operate as small hotels or villas or Airbnb properties. So we should have driven on the side road over there, but next time. This road we're on is the Northern Coastal Highway. It runs all the way from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. We're actually driving into the parish of Trelawney now, so we're driving out of St Ann. And Trelawney is most famous for probably Falmouth, and it's the birthplace of Usain Bolt. And everybody knows Bolt is the track and field superstar. On the right is the tank well facility at Rio Plano. And they actually have their own port over there, so that when the metals come in, the steel, they deal with it at that port there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.